Hey guys, it's Anime Masker, and today I'm doing a different video. This, as you can see, is not anime. There's no figures in front of you. You are, in my garage right now. So today is completely different than what I've normally been doing. Today I'm prepping for getting my car in the garage. I have a few things left I need to do, and something I'm planning to do over the winter is work on my car, and we're replacing the clutch of my transmission. So I thought I would kind of go through and record a video of me getting through the last bit of this garage. We started cleaning this garage up probably early spring. There was a lot of crap in here that we had to get rid of, and one of my main things with my car is I didn't want to work on it and be cramped the entire time. So I guess it's time to show you the last bits and hopefully me getting my car in here. So I should probably explain what I'm doing right now before I pull in the car. Currently, I have to chop up the rest of this wood and get rid of it. I'm taking that mirror downstairs, and I just got this workbench. Before the workbench, I was working with this. That's not fun to work with. I got this workbench and this, I guess, rollable cart for 125 bucks off of Facebook. They're not in the greatest of shape, but they'll definitely last me, and I might actually try either cleaning them up or upgrading to something completely different. As you can see, there is currently no back panel, so I got a table saw and I got some scrap wood. I'm going to try making one. And I also need to rekey it, but Amazon said my delivery is not till Monday. So that is currently what's left. I will probably just be doing a quick time lapse showing the rest of this getting done. Then hopefully a thing of me pulling in my car. So as you probably saw from the time lapse, this was pretty unstable. Uh, so I did this. So this is all currently temporary. Hopefully once the spring hits, I will be re-drywalling all of this and making it look a little bit nicer. I will also be getting rid of that completely. Right, so I'm running out of daylight, so I probably have to finish all of this tomorrow. But the one thing I want to try getting done today is using this table saw and making a back plate for this workbench, so hopefully I can push it up against the wall tonight. I've never actually used a table saw, so forgive me if I screw anything up, or you might actually get to see me screw something up. When I got this, I did not have a riving knife, so I did purchase one, but it requires also that the blade is like fully up before it's even kind of safe. Let's see. I got the boards cut, so I will be hopefully mounting those up tomorrow. I have to get some clamps and some hardware just to do that. Oh, I think I'm going to stop for tonight, get up early, and get this finished. Right, what I got, some polish, got a hacksaw, and some nuts, and bolts. plus a drill bit. Ooh, it's about 2 toolboxes high. Go to the other side and put these nuts in. Alright, both sides are on. They're not gonna go anywhere. Looks sketchy, but it's only the backing plate to keep stuff from falling out. All we have to do now is put this table back there and that shelf back there. Though I don't think the top of the shelf will make it. Garage is clean. Well, for the most part. I have no area to put these, and this chair is gonna just roll around for fun. All I gotta do now is clean up the actual table, organize a little bit, and that should be it. But I guess now is the fun part, because we get to pull in the Celica. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. It took a lot of effort finishing up this garage for the winter, but I think it's going to be worth it. Our next plans for the Celica is replacing the clutch, redoing the suspension, and after that, the exhaust. I can go through the history in a separate video of this Celica and all the things that led up to me wanting to replace this clutch. I'm not a mechanic at all. The only things I've done before this is intake, spark plugs, and oil change. So this is going to be a huge project, and I hope once we get to that point I'll be able to record it and share it all with you. And I don't think I've stated this before, but this is my 2001 Celica GTS. I had a Celica GT before this, but it was in much worse condition and I ended up blowing it up. Well, I think that's about it. If you like this video, please share, like, all that kind of stuff. And if you want to see more content, please subscribe.